Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys doing well. So today I am making a frog, and for that I'm using air dry clay. It's also known as super clay or foam clay, and this clay is so smooth and super soft that you will guys definitely enjoy making something out of this clay like I am enjoying right now. So let me tell you one thing, that recently I have received a bulk order and I was asked to make different items like some animals, some cartoon characters like Doraemon, flower vases, and candy bouquets. And this frog is also a part of that order, and I'm completing it today. And yes, let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this frog and this video too, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.